If you cannot access the internet even though the configuration is finished on your TP-Link router, then you are in the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the internet status. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net. Log in with your TP-Link ID or the password set for the router. Go to Advanced, then select Network, then check the status. Check if the IP address is valid. Method 2. Manually configure the DNS server. Go to Advanced, then Network, then select DHCP server. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the primary DNS. Click Save. Method 3. Restart the modem and router. Power off your modem and router and leave them off for a minute. Power on the modem first and wait for about 2 minutes until it gets a solid cable or internet line. Power on the router. Wait for another 1 to 2 minutes and check the internet access. Method 4. Upgrade firmware. Ensure the firmware of the router is upgraded to the latest version. Open this link on a web browser http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. When the latest firmware is available for your router, then upgrade icon should display in the top right corner of the page. Click on the icon. Alternatively, you can go to Advanced, then select System, then Firmware Update. If there is any new firmware available, click on Upgrade. Then wait for some time to reboot. Now check if the issue is fixed. If not, then move on to the next solution. Method 5. Clone the MAC address of your computer. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net. Log in with your TP-Link ID or the password set for the router. Go to Internet or Advanced, then select Network, then Internet, and then go to the MAC clone section. Choose an option as needed. You can enter the MAC address if Use Custom MAC Address is selected. You can use the default address unless your ISP allows you with internet access from only a specific MAC address. Save the settings. Some ISPs register the MAC address of your computer when you access the internet for the first time through their cable modem. If you add a router to your network to share your internet connection, the ISP may not accept it as the MAC address has changed. Hence, clone your computer's MAC address to the router. Method 6. Modify LAN IP address. If the router's default LAN IP address, that is 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, conflicts with your existing ADSL modem or router, change it to avoid such conflicts. For example, to 192.168.2.1. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net. Log in with your TP-Link ID or the password set for the router. Go to Advanced, then select Network, then LAN. Modify the LAN IP address, for example, 192.168.2.1. Click on Save. Method 7. Double-check internet connection type. Confirm your internet connection type from the ISP. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net. Log in with your TP-Link ID or the password set for the router. Go to Advanced, then Network, then Internet. Select your internet connection type and fill in other parameters. Save the changes. Restart the modem and the router again. Method 8. Reset to factory defaults. Next, you can reset the router. Press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 6 to 10 seconds while the device is running. This will restore the router's factory settings, so you will need to reconfigure it. And there you have it. The ways to fix the issue when can't access the internet even though the configuration is finished on your TP-Link router. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.